Friends, that is what I've been discussing, and I want to show you the demonstration of these three properties which I've been discussing, that which is available in this particular water, that is called restructured ionized water. So what I do is I'll finish off these three properties what I have, and initially I want to show you the liquids. Liquids means this liquid, you are aware that in which color it is, a transparent. So I'm just opening this soft drink, and I'm just pouring in this. I thought you could see here this particular liquid. This is called soft drink, and this is our municipal water in Hyderabad. Okay, and so when we test all these liquids with this ORP monitor, this is a ORP monitor, then we would understand that what is the energy or what is the electrical charge this particular water has. In case, as you have seen, if it shows a negative charge, negative electrical charge, this means minus millivolts, then it is a very good water. If it is in a positive, it is danger. It means that it's too acidic. And this is the water which we've been thinking about. This is restructured ionized water. Okay. Yeah. Now I have this ORP monitor, oxidation reduction electrical potential. This monitor, which we got it from American Marine Company, Redox, which clearly shows the negative charge. So when I dip this particular probe, this is a platinum nib probe, which shows the readings here. I thought you could see here. What is the reading you could see? Let us count from 1 to 10. Okay, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, when I counted here 10, you could see here 316. Yes. Now, what I do is I'll again dip this particular probe into this municipal water. I'm talking about municipal water in our area, this in Hyderabad. Now, I also count like 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, here we could see here a reading of 245, 244. Now, again, I take out and I put in this particular packaged drinking water. I need not tell what brand it is because you could see here. Yeah. And here you could see this 201, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here it is 249. I'm talking about a packaged drinking water. The municipal water is also almost like that. Okay, and this was 300 plus. Now I'll dip the same probe into this particular water. Now you could see here, and what is the reading going on? The reading is minus 396, minus 406, minus 412. So this water also, I bought it almost like 2 hours back from my home. Okay, so when I'm sitting in the office, because of this, I opened. It's minus 420. Okay, minus 430. Now, I quickly, what I do is I put here again in this particular soft drink where you could see the raising. Okay. So maybe in the very less time of less than 10 seconds, which is going to reach, okay, almost like 300. 300 is too acidic, you are aware. And you could see that this is no negative. Here it is showing only positive. Okay. So probably in 10 seconds time, which has taken up almost like 297. It stopped at 297. And again, I'll put it in the municipal water. Okay, municipal water in Hyderabad. I'm talking about a negative charge. Okay, so which has stopped around, can we, yeah. $275, okay. And again, in this particular packaged drinking water. So that was showing 310 plus, and which is this particular municipal water was showing 270, and this is a packaged drinking water. This is nothing but RO water, which is again showing 283 or 84. Yeah. So before I switch to this, yeah, it has reached 290. Again, here we will see that how quickly, which is growing faster in negative charge. So 296, 99, 400. Yeah. So it is 406. Okay, it is minus. Please check once again. It is minus 410. It means this particular water has electrical charge. It means it has got rich electrons. Electrons are nothing but antioxidants. When it is plus charge means it is not uh, uh, good for health, or it has a very acidic in nature, and this particular water doesn't have any negative electrical charge. So I'll keep aside this. So this is what I have shown you. Probably in the chart you could see here, when it is in the plus 300 plus, then it is soft drinks would get into that. 300 plus is a soft drinks or maybe any energy drink. When it comes to RO water, or maybe like this water, this particular packaged drinking water is filled with artificial minerals. That is why it is showing at least 277, 290 like that. And when we talk about the municipal water, which was also showing positive 260 or 270. When it comes to restructured ionized water, you have understood this has shown minus 400 and minus 410, minus 420 like that. So these are the tests which you could see here in front of me. And I have another test. So far we have tested whether this water has electrical charge, whether this water has electrons. It means whether this has got rich antioxidants. So this particular water has rich antioxidants, abundant antioxidants. This has a very less. When it compared with minus 420 means it comes almost like 10 lakh crore electrons you find in 1 liter bottle. When it is a 260 in a 1 liter bottle, you could get hardly maybe 100 electrons. In this plus, you get 10 electrons per liter. It means that we need abundant electrons. It means it is available in the restructured ionized water. Now I have a test. This is called pH drops. In the very early beginning of our studies, we have tested with this litmus test papers. So I'll just open this and I'll just drop few drops here. Okay, I'm just putting one drop. You could see the color change. Here is also one drop. So these four glasses has got 4 different colors. So with these colors, you could understand this is nothing but a test of pH. So potential hydrogen. It means that if this water turns to this color, you could understand when you see the pH scale, so which has turned to the reddish and almost like complete reddish. And this water is, how is this? This is into the light green. Okay, that's good. The municipal water has at least little better pH. Okay, and very surprising is this is looking like greenish. So this is a bluish green, okay, and this is complete green. It's almost like new between 5 and 6. This is like between 7 and 8, I can say. It means in pH value, the municipal water is good. And when we talk about this greenish, especially the packaged drinking water, as it is mixed with the minerals, at least this pH has come to between 5 and 6. Still, I mean, it is less than neutral. It is just more than neutral. And this, I need not say. This is totally alkanized. Okay. This water, means this particular purple color shows very clearly that how rich it is in pH. It is between 9 to 10. So when you could see all these tests, and I also have another test, and before that I want to explain you something else. Just give me a minute. And I'm just keeping these bottles down. Okay. And here I have this particular glasses. So you know that how beautifully and in all the four colors you could see. This is municipal water, this is packaged drinking water, this is soft drink, and this is restructured ionized water. People say, sir, why I should have so much of, abundant electrons. Anyhow, I'm okay with this water. Why I should drink? Yes, as we were discussing, that when our body produces millions and millions of free radicals which require electrons. Electrons means antioxidants. Where you could find abundant electrons in this water, is there any problem taking abundant electrons? If somebody is too healthy, will there be any problem? If somebody takes morning juice and afternoon juice rather than tea, coffee, this acidic nature, if somebody takes juices, maybe carrot juice or maybe apple juice or maybe orange juice, I'm talking about fresh juices. So don't you, think that he will be more healthier than the people who drink coffee and tea? Is it right? So friends, understand we need abundant electrons so that we can keep our health in a better way. Here I have a problem. Some people say that what happens if I go out for 3 to 4 days? Nothing will happen. Don't worry. Once you start drinking this restructured ionized water for almost 7 to 8 glasses for the next uh, 2 to 3 months, your entire body becomes healthy and alkalized. Okay, say for example, you have taken this particular water, and once you come home, what you did is you have taken restructured ionized water. Just check, you have already filled. This has changed the color. So you have taken some municipal water outside in the hotel. You came home and you started digging. You could see the color change. Okay. And after that, you have taken this particular totally acidic soft drink. And even if you, whatever you do, which will never change. Just look at it. Did you find any change? No. It means this particular acidic nature will kill people. And where you never ever get neutralized with other water means soft drinks, carbonated drinks are very, very unhealthy and which is not good for health. Okay, so what I do is I have another very good test that is all about microclustering. So you may be wondering what is microclustering, and microclustering is all about the cluster size of the water molecule. Normal water molecule like uh, uh, this municipal water or a RO water, you normally don't see good, hexagon type. It means that this particular restructured ionized water means those articles were broken into smallest. It means during the ionization process, okay, that particular Kangen water machine, what it does is, which will break the water molecule into smallest. It means H2O, OH plus and OH minus. And similarly, when we talk about microclustering, normal water or maybe RO water, which has a cluster size of between 20 to 26, one molecule. But whereas this particular restructured ionized water, which has got hexagon, it only 6. So you understand the penetration into the body, or when we take water, we need to get hydrated. But normally, if you take municipal water or RO water, it takes a lot of time to get hydrated. Whereas, in case if you take this particular water, restructured ionized water, within 12 minutes, your energy gets skyrocket and you'll be more energized. You know the reason? The reason is you are hydrated quickly because of the smallest molecule. And when this quickly hydrates into your body, what happens is the toxins will be flushed out. When the toxins are flushed out, and will be more healthy. That is why Dr. Hiromi Shinya, and I have just shown you, he was telling very clearly, this is one of the best waters to cleanse your colon. Hiromi Shinya, who has invented the colonoscopy, Shinyascopy, Shinya method of colonoscopy. He's a father of colonoscopy. The person who made 3,70,000 colonoscopy tests in his lifetime. Okay, so that is why he made drinking of this restructured ionized water as a protocol to those people who, whose bodies have become totally acidic. And and he told that that can be used in different ways, like even it can be applied, even this particular water can be consumed by the people who, where their body becomes acidic, like cancer cells. And if somebody's colon is, rotten, it's not good, then if they take this kind of water, you will be, cleansed like anything. So if your colon system is wonderful, I'm sure that you'll be very, very healthy. So I'm going to show you a small test again. Uh, okay, here I have this. Um, Here I have this particular turmeric. This turmeric, what I do is I'll just put a little pinch of this, and here also I put a little pinch of turmeric. The turmeric is which we normally use at our home. Now we'll check with this packaged drinking water. You could see the color, how it turns to it. And similarly, what I do is I'll take this restructured ionized water and see the kind of, you could find it's less than even 5 seconds. So these two colors are totally different. This looks like orange and this looks like yellow. And if you observe for another 1 minute, now probably the whole process, it took maybe like 20 to 30 seconds, I can say. After 30 seconds, you could still see the more crystal clarity color of totally turned into the orange. So it means this particular water absorbs the food items and which will quickly penetrate into the each molecule or a substance of this particular turmeric. And you could see here. So, it's totally changed. Yeah. And whereas this is like this. So you could understand the power of this microcluster. Peter Agre has rightly said, the Nobel Prize laureate, and that the water never keeps in one place. So, which is the most important transporter into the body and which quickly penetrates into the body and which will help us, get quickly hydrated. Okay, so if somebody is dehydrated, then if they are being supplied with this particular water, they will be quickly, they will recover. Another one thing is, you know, that why people, they give lime juice to those people who are doing the strikes, and when they call off, then they come out from the fasting and all. Because in the lime, and when you put that lemon water, sorry, in the lemon water, it is too alkaline. That is why it is called alkaline water. And this is called alkalized water. Understand, alkaline water is good, but to some extent. When in alkaline water, you don't get this kind of microclustering. And in alkaline water, you don't get abundant electrons. You get electrons, but not abundant. Probably you may find in hundreds or maybe thousand, but where here you find in lakhs of crores. So friends, this is a simple test for microclustering. And I also have another test. Just give me a minute. This is a tea bag, tea sachet, and just give me so that I just change this water and I'll come back. Yes. So I have this tea country green bag. I'm not advertising anything, but I'm just taking out this sachet out of this. And see, I just keep here in this particular glass. So now what I do is first I take this RO water, which people keep thinking this is a mineral water. It's not a mineral water, it's only RO water. Now you could count here, maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means not even 10 seconds. Okay. Now again, what I do is I have just taken out and I kept here. I'm talking about this sachet has been kept in this particular glass. Now you could see the color. Okay, now you could see the color change. So what is this? Why it has happened? Because of the microcluster. I didn't do anything. Okay. Now people may think that, yeah, it got wet here in this and probably the chances. Okay, what I do is I'll dip here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds. Let us assume. Now what I do is I'll keep here. And again, I take this particular water. Okay. Packaged drinking water. Again, I'll put in this. Okay. So now you could see what color it has. And probably you may get a doubt. Yeah, it is already been dipped in this particular water. So there is no substance remained. Okay. Now I'll keep here and I'll put this water again. Okay. In this water tea bag. Now you could see here if the substance is not there. So friend, this is a very, very simple test from this energetic Kangen water, which has got a good microclustering and which will gives a wonderful health and which absorbs uh, uh, and which will give you abundant electrons. So this is very good. Why we drink the green tea? The reason is because green tea is very good and which has got a abundant electrons. It means that antioxidants. So it is better to drink with your permission. So friends, and any number of times, even if you put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and you could see here, nothing has happened. This is the color. And if you ask me to keep again, yes, still there is a lot of things which you could find here. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means that which has got a lot of absorption. It means which it gets penetrates into this particular powder, I mean green tea, and take out the substance or maybe the important substance from this. Okay, so this is very, very good, and this is called microclustering test, which I made it with this green tea sachet as well as with the turmeric. So you need to understand by this time that if this kind of water is available with us, and we should take it. And people, they understand very well, but finally they're crossing their fingers and saying that what could be the cost of the machine? Yes, I'm going to talk to you. If it is a matter of your uh, health and you don't mind spending good amount of money in case if you want to keep yourself healthy. So understand, rather than spending this money for hospitals, it is better to spend on ourselves and to prevent all the diseases and other complications, because you know that we have discussed a lot of pollution, lot of what do you call, it has been increasing every day. So better to take this kind of water. Maybe like 50 years back, we never had any hesitation to drink the water outside, maybe by taking the water from the bore, even from the well. Even people used to drink the water from the river also. But nowadays, the situation is not like that, and we have hesitations, and we cannot do that. So thank you so much. I'll go to the next slide and give me a second time.